Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to link your YouTube account to Steam quickly and easily. First, open your Steam app. Next, log in with your Steam username and password. Once you're signed in, click on your username at the top and select Content from the drop-down menu. After that, go to the Videos section. You'll see an option to link your YouTube account. Click it and follow the prompt to access out your YouTube videos. Now, enter the email address associated with your YouTube account. If the link doesn't work, go back to the drop-down menu, reselect Content, then Videos. Right-click on Link YouTube Account, copy the page URL, and paste it into a new browser window. To complete, sign into your YouTube account when prompted. Once done, return to Steam and confirm the link is active. You should now see your YouTube account connected. And that's it. You've just linked your YouTube account to Steam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.